my head itch. Ooh. I needed
Fall
that.
is here, and if you want to sleep in the coziest bed,
yes.
you have to start with Boll & Branch's best-selling 100%
Yes. Ice cream so good.
You'll spend every night wrapped in buttery,
yes, ice cream so
good. And feel your sheets get even
good.
softer with every wash. Discover the difference with Boll & Branch's 30-night guarantee. Plus, for a limited time, get 20% off and free shipping on your first set of sheets at bollandbranch.com with code PEACEFUL. Exclusions apply. See site for details.
I'm stressed out.
Get organic favorites at Whole Foods Market. Save on organic black,
I gotta do this
red,
kind
and
of
green
fast,
salad
y'all,
scrapes through
because
October 15th. Add them to your fall charcuterie boards for a touch of sweet freshness. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
I have things to do. Cash money shit. Ooh, it's still sticky, honey.
I can tell that money's got you working. We've been talking for so long. Now we're finally here in person. I taste pain and regret in your sweat. You've been waiting for me. Oh,
good enough. Oh, it's not good actually.
I can tell that you've been
it's not good.
All those other men would practice. They would practice, yeah, for me,
okay.
For me,
much better.
For me, girl, you look good, once you back that ass up.
Much better.
Fucker, once you back that ass up. Call me Big Daddy, once you back that ass up. Girl, what you playing with, back that ass up.
Much better.
You with some ass, yeah, you bang, yeah.
You working with some bud, yeah, you're good, yeah. Okay.
Girl, you working with some ass, yeah.
You bad, yeah, making niggas finish cash.
They match, yeah. Couple thousand on your bag, yeah. Fuck yeah, I'm a big time nigga, yeah. Money flipper, yeah. Get it understood, yeah.
So good, yeah.
Girl, I know it's real, cause I've been around it.
You only know it's real, you just never found it out.
Don't give them no more chances. Oh, girl, they had their turn. Everything for a reason. There's things you had to learn from them. But when I get
disconnected.
It's going down, oh.
Chillin' in Miami in a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck. Chillin' in Miami in a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck. Chillin' in Miami in a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck. Chillin' in Miami in a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week.
And all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep.
AOX9. I'm the only nigga in the
Sneezing and teasing, I'm sitting on it.
See me in that new. I am not Jasmine. Yeah, I said it has been. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma. Hey nigga, asthma. I got the pump, it ain't got medicine. The fuck I look like getting back to a has-been. Yeah, I said it has been. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma. Hey nigga, asthma. I got the pump, it ain't got medicine. I got bars, sentencing. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a cunt, and yeah, I said it has been. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma. Hey nigga, asthma. I got the pump, it ain't got Plasma. Hey nigga, has been. Hang it up, hang hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey niggy, asthma.
Okay.
Got the pump, it ain't got me.
I'm thinking of a transition to you guys, so I'm gonna have this behind me. Just to get low.
Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey niggy.
Let's see if this transition is gonna eat or not.
Asthma, I got the pump, it ain't got medicine. I got bars, sentencing. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey niggy, asthma.
Okay. Hype it up. Hello.
Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey niggy, asthma. I got the pump, it ain't got medicine. I got bars, sentencing. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey niggy, asthma. I got the pump, it ain't got medicine. I got bars.
Hey niggy. Okay. Ooh, this loose. Oh, I ain't even tighten it yet. Chillin', baby. I need to go. I'm gonna get my son's phone and connect it. That's what I'm gonna do. Chillin', baby, in the middle of the free. Got two best friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Hey, Nikki. Hold on, you guys. I'm getting it together. And now kick that whore. Punt. And now kick that whore. Okay, what was I finna do? Oh, movie video, of course. All right. And now kick that whore. Punt. You need a job because this ain't cutting it. Nicki Minaj is who you ain't fucking with.
Connected.
Period. We're gonna have to do YouTube since he don't got Pandora on his phone. How to riz a girl. The hell? But anywho, let's see. Yes, one day.
This is you, and this is your surprising hunch. I take the over. The kind of hunch that pops up in
One day. One day. All right. Let's get into this week video. Sorry, get out my business. You're gonna have to be muted. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know y'all can't get the behind the scenes in my wig videos. Not anymore. Unless I'm cutting a lace or putting it in its place. I'm letting the glue dry clear. I'm trying to think of a freestyle right now. Trying to think of a freestyle so I can eat it down. Let's see. Yo. I think I know. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. All right, my bad. My rap kind of ate. I'm not gonna cap. It literally most definitely kind of ate. So yeah. What happened to my music? Hold on. Should I do another layer? Just to be safe. This one not coming off until Friday, so. Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone.
I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long.
No woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much
that I'ma call her anyway and say,
fuck that nigga that you love so bad.
I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up,
I know he's. Who texted my? Who the hell is this? What the hell?
I'm just saying,
You better. The glue gonna dry? Bitch, is it clear? Fuck you mean is the glue gonna dry? Bitch, what it look like?
I'm just saying,
You can do better.
and I'll start hating only if you make me.
Only if you make me. All right. Let's get it in this glue.
Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. And she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around.
Oh shit, I didn't even record that. Oh.
I'm just saying you could do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start hating only if you I think I'm addicted to
Right.
sitting talking about bitches that we almost had.
Okay.
Making monsters out of the women I'm sponsored till it
All right.
shit, it's all good. We threw a party, yeah, we threw a party.
Okay.
Bitches came over, yeah, we threw a party. I was just calling because they were just leaving.
Alright.
Talk to me, please, don't have much to believe in. I need you right now. Are you down to listen to me? Too many drinks have been given to me. I got some women that's living off me. Pay for their flights and hotels, I'm ashamed. Bet that you know them, I won't say no names. After a while, girl, they all seem the same. I've had sex 4 times this week, I'll explain. Having a hard time adjusting to fame. Spreading that myth, look, I've been talking crazy, girl.
Lucky that you stayed on.
Someone to put this way.
Where's my tweezies? I need someone to put this weight on.
I'm just saying,
Where are my tweezies?
tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do. And I'll start hating if you make me.
What the hell? What the hell is going on? Oh, actually, I need that. So. Oh, here we go. Cause if we do, we gon' be in some trouble. Some trouble. Oh my God. Oh. 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 That just didn't do anything at all, literally. Okay, whatever. Okay, what wig is this? Hermosa? Hermosa! Hermosa! I think. Cause if you do, we gon' be in some trouble. I don't see a Hermosa band, so I'm gonna go ahead and use. This one again. Fuck it. Fuck it.
Yeah. Word on road is the click about to blow. You ain't gotta run and tell nobody, they already know. We've been living on a high, they've been talking on the low, but it's cool. Know you heard it all before, that's why I asked you how you mean. How you mean? Thought you knew about the team. Hey, yeah. That's why I asked you how you mean. How you mean? Thought you knew.
Did I actually put it in the middle? No, it looks a little crooked. All right, let's flatten this out, do everything we need to do so it can be prepared.
Baby girl, you need to stop it. All that pride and self-esteem got you angry about this girl I'm with in all the magazines. Baby, she look like a star,
but only on camera.
Only on camera. Look like we're in love, but only on camera. Only on camera. Only on camera. Don't listen to the lies. I swear they all lies. You know I could be a knight in shining armor, rough ties. Trying to tell you I'm the one. Come and holler at me if I'm on the next thing.
YMCMB. Yeah. Shut up, Bo.
Connected.
To myself, you know what's going down.
I'm checking 2 free bags.
Okay. Is this Ekane? That hoe can't fuck with me. Never mention that bitch to me. Never mention that bitch to me, honey.
2 bags fly free. That's a big flex.
Yo, moolah, baby. Actually, yeah. I wasn't born last night. Whoop. I know this hoes ain't right. Whoop. But she ain't have a ring or no her ring on last night. Oh, nigga, that's that. blew up, they got hot, would she rather have a purse? I give a bitch an inch, would she rather have 9? You know how the game goes, she be my for halftime, I'm the shit, ooh, nigga, that's that. You all about her, and she all about hers. Birdman, G and this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did everything but trust these hoes. CB, fuck cool.
When a rich nigga want you.
And your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Yeah, yeah. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich. But I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bed with me. They know I love the song. Pandora play the same 6 songs. I'm finna make my own playlist. I'm finna make my own playlist at this point. Now tell me how you love it. You know we at the top and all we have is right above it. We
Who else really tryna fuck with Hollywood? I'm with Marty G, grown, flying Hollywood chicks to my Hollywood shows. And I wanna tell you something that you probably should know. It's that Slumdog Millionaire Bollywood flowing my real friends never hearing from me. Fake friends write the wrong answers on the mirror for me. That's why I pick and choose. I don't get shit confused. I got a small
immediately
circle.
now.
I'm not with different crews. We walk the same path, but got on different shoes. Live in the same building, but got different views. I got a couple cars I never get to use. Don't like my women single. I like my chicks in twos. And these days, all the girls is down the road. I hit the strip club and all them bitches find the pole. Plus I've been sipping, so this shit is moving kinda slow. Just tell my girl to tell a friend that it's time to go. Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and all that happens right above it. It's young money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. If the diamonds ripping like some money in this bitch, shit did. Got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because this shit meet me on the fresh train. Yes, I'm in the building. You just on the list of guest names. And all of my riders do not give a fuck. X Games. Yes! Turn you boys into pussies. Sex change. And that's how
why y'all leaving here anyway?
And you niggas know I rep my game.
Oh, you forgot? Yeah.
Possessive. And they wanna possess rank.
I know you would. You was told the fuck down. I do. Get out my business. I do. How y'all supposed to get to that girl? It looks like I'm moving everybody next to I'm moving. I got boxes in the trash. Look at my closet. I really need to get this together. Like, oh my god. I'm too lazy. I think I'm too like I gotta clean my car. I'm gonna get it together. Okay. No, you're not. Until 1 o'clock. I'm gonna be doing my hair for some more. And I don't. I shoot first.
If you're hearing this in your Rolls Royce, then Donald Trump's tax plan is for you.
I'm rich as hell. We're gonna give you tax cut?
But for everyone else, there's Kamala Harris's plan.
Okay.
Under my plan, more than 100 million Americans will get a tax cut.
Because that guy in the Ferrari doesn't need another break. But Kamala Harris knows you sure could use one. Paid for by FF Pack.
Is this in the middle? What the hell? I'm gonna fix it, y'all. Don't worry. Don't worry about a thing.
McDonald's is proud to celebrate
every little thing
you with all the music you love. Tap now to launch the Pride Party Station, sponsored by McDonald's, full of all your favorite fierce and fabulous hits. Get the party started for National Coming Out Day and keep it going all month long for LGBTQ plus history month.
Is that the middle?
Search Pride
No,
Party
it's
on
not.
Pandora and visit McDonald's.com
What's the middle?
to learn more about McDonald's commitment to the LGBTQ plus community. Shine bright, stand proud, love loud. Stand proud, love loud.
It looks like the middle. See? More to the right. More this way? I'm not sure. I just liked it up 30,000 times. Just did this shit 30 times. It's literally right here.
I think about all the time. Think you made me all of mine. Don't you say you know the love is blind. I'm about to.
Why would I pluck apart, bitch? All I gotta do is put concealer on it. Y'all so damn annoying. Tell us a story time? No, bitch. I'm working. I'm working, honey. Yo. I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake. All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did, I'd lunch with him and let him eat my ass like a cupcake. My man full, he just ate. I don't duck nobody but tape. Yeah, that was a setup for a punchline on duct tape. What worry about if my butt fake? What worry about y'all niggas us straight? These girls are my sons, Johnny K. +8 when I walk in, sit up straight. I don't give a fuck if I was late. Sitting with my man on a G5 was my idea of an update. Hut, hut, one, hut, hut, two. Big titties, big butt, too. Fuck with them real niggas who don't tell niggas what they up to. Had to show bitches where the top is. Ring finger where the rock is. These hoes couldn't test me, even if they name was Pop Quiz. Mad bitches who I fuck with. Mad bitches we don't fuck with. I don't fuck with them chickens unless they last name is Cutlets. Let it soak in like seasoning and tell them bitches blow me. Man, Steve is friend.
Battling cup in the sky. Sparks in the air like the 4th of July. Nothing but bad bitches in here tonight.
Oh, if you let me, you know it'd be quiet.
Nothing but real niggas only. Bad bitches.
On October 15th, Vegas will be where hip-hop flows. A new stage will be set, and a new bar will be raised on hip-hop's most anticipated award show. Are y'all ready to take
BET Hip Hop Awards. Who the fuck watches that?
the mics and turning up the club?
Who the fuck watches that?
Bangers from the biggest names in hip-hop. Mics, camera, action. BET Hip Hop Awards 2024.
What? They still doing that?
Tuesday, October 15th at 8.
Fat Joe big ass look like he'll host some shit like that.
Load up the Drake. Fuck it, I'm making them pay. It's high and niggas
I think I just got some more points at Myers.
Said out here having his way. Way out here having his way. And like the third me go out.
Take.
Bitch. What? Load up the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said I ain't having his way. Pray I ain't having his way. And like the third me go out, take what?
We're gonna fix that, honey.
Yeah.
Now that I'm thinking it through, I just ain't feeling love cause I'm way too awake.
And she try fucking a rapper.
The break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break.
Soon as I late with these niggas,
They feelings are written all over their face.
What? Okay, great.
Oh shit, my blood earth comes today, I think.
30,000 on somebody's grapes. Eating in so many pull-ups on niggas.
No wonder we getting in shape.
Too busy backing my words and what actions
to ever go from your face.
What? Hey.
Shit done changed. What color wig you doing Friday? Friday is a balayage. Balayage, however you say it. It's like brown and black highlight thing.
What?
Fuck we saying?
Big 81, but I don't own a Harley. I ride a Mercedes for shame. Hey, it's me and Lil Harley. We wrecking this shit, then we about to go late with the game. Hey.
And I like the cars on the wall at your mama house. I do not have time to hang.
Please don't reach out to me. Think watching too much of Stephen and got to me versus too easy.
I'm serving them about a 3.
I'm playing pool in
I really don't got a flutter in the back because I didn't wash it. I just got a flutter in the front.
Back in the day, my dogs was putting their balls in the pockets.
All of the fiends in.
What?
That was back in the day.
Now we involved in legitimate business, baby. We came a long way. Sometimes I hop on the road by myself and I listen to shit that you say. All of y'all having more followers and dollars.
And that's why I cannot relate.
No. What? Load of the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high, but niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having his way. Pray I ain't having his way. And like the third me go out.
Take.
What? Hey. Load of the Drake. Making them foot niggas pay. Straight at the trip to the play. We gone. Who said they ain't having their way? Who? Might have a little more on they play. We having our way in 3 ways.
OVO scope on the Drake. We having our way. Having my way in the city.
You put out your britches, you talking the trippin'. Go put on my cleats so I'm walking and slippin'. Having my way in this shit like a business. Load up the bass, now I feel like a Ricky. She had it her way, now she out of her business.
All set.
Fuck how you take it, we straight from the bacon. I caught me some catches and beat it in races. Seen it was taking no communication, no invitation.
Cut off circulation.
Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan.
I'm having factory lavage.
Nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told.
Naya, honey. Naya.
My bitch she bad as don't like no outside bitch, I like a homebody.
Naya.
First time me fucking, I told nobody. Don't you?
I ain't got shit to say. You bad as fuck and you hid your wig in all your videos, so I guess you knew better, huh? You bad as fuck. But if I would have found something about that wig on your head, believe me. Believe me.
No talking, we smashing. Smash one the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I might be
then pipe that bitch up on the
action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flex, this shit be on accident. Fell in my lap, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, this shit accurate.
Load of the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high, but niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having his way. Pray I ain't having his way. And like the third me go out. Take it. What? Hey. Yeah.
I'm shoving this shit in their face.
Then I go put that boy right in his place. They know that I'm having my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre.
It's like an addition, notice when we dropping. Cause niggas get moved out their space.
Move.
2.5, what's going on 3?
But fuck it.
Cause it's worth the wait. Not to be ignorant, but I want everything that's on the menu.
And what's on your plate?
I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling the blade.
Baby, no earn. Ever since I caught that record chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since birth, my mama told me that they gon' act real, but they really hate.
I know my word, so you ain't getting no verse. And
You talking about a little cake.
make them say church. When they see clear with the diamonds and stones in my Jesus face.
Ain't got a ground, cause it's not a race.
Load of the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Sit out here having his way.
Sit.
Quay out here having his way.
Quay.
And like the third me go out.
Take off.
Extravagant, luxurious, lavish. The $7 Lux Cravings Box from Taco Bell satisfies all your crunchiest, cheesiest, sauciest cravings. Indulge in a beefy 5-layer burrito, chicken chalupa supreme, Doritos Locos Taco, and chips and a drink for an unluxurious price. It's Lux for less.
When is my damn?
At participating Taco Bell stores for a limited time only while supplies last. Price and participation vary. Drinks excludes freezes. Tax extra.
Dietrich Mercy itself definitely values who you are as a person.
Said I didn't have it anyway.
To connect with many people from different backgrounds. Not only did I take what I learned in the academic world, but I was able to apply that in a professional setting. And the university definitely provided those resources. And I was able to graduate and be the first one of my family to graduate. And I was able to graduate and be the first one of my family to graduate. And I was able to graduate and be the first one of my family to graduate. And I was able to graduate and be the first one of my family to graduate. And I was able to graduate and be the first one of my family to graduate.
Nada. Y la parte de atrás de los dientes que a veces quedan impurezas.
Lala, why do I have to